Today we are going to do important question of exemplar. The question is find the image of the point 163 in the line. Point is this taken as A. 163 line is this BC or PQ. Take PQ. That is X by 1, Y minus 1 by 2 and Z minus 2 by 6. This is the line. So if I want to take any point Q, B on this uh, PQ, this point, any point B, that will I get from putting this lambda. So X point will become lambda 1 into lambda. Y point will become 2 lambda plus 1, right? And Z will become 3 lambda plus 2. By putting X by 1 is equal to lambda, that is X point, which is lambda. Y minus 1 by 2, that is equal to lambda. So Y is equal to 2 lambda plus 1. And third one is Z minus 2 by 3 is equal to lambda. That is lambda 2 lambda plus 1 and 3 lambda plus 2 is any point B on the line PQ. Now I have this point B, which is the, you can say, put a perpendicular from A to PQ also. This question can be taken as find the foot of perpendicular from A to line and then find the image of this point A in PQ or BC, whatever you are taking. So if I have point B, I have point A, can I find out the DRs of AB? That will be x2 lambda minus x1. Then y2 minus y1 and then z2 minus z1, right? These are the DRs of AP, which are coming as lambda minus 1, 2 lambda minus 5 and 3 lambda minus 1. These are the DRs of BC. DRs of AB, sorry. AB lambda minus 1, 2 lambda minus 5, 3 lambda minus 1. And DRs of PQ. Those are 1, 2, 3. As AB is perpendicular to PQ, therefore condition A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. Apply that over here. This you take A1, A2, A3. This you take B1, B2, B2. Sorry, A1, B1, C1 and that is A2, B2, C2. So 1 into lambda minus 1 plus 2 into 2 lambda minus 5 plus 3 into 3 lambda minus 1. So you are getting lambda minus 1 plus 4 lambda minus 10 plus 9 lambda minus 3, that is equal to 0. So lambda plus 4 lambda, 5 lambda, 5 lambda plus 9 lambda, that will be 14 lambda. That is equal to minus 1 minus 10 minus 11 and minus 14. So that will become 14. So lambda is equal to 1. Right? If lambda value is there, do I have the point B? So you can say the point B is lambda. So that is 1. Then 2 lambda plus 1. So 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 lambda plus 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. So point B is 135. Point A is 168. This is the foot of B is also foot of perpendicular. So if they ask you find the foot of perpendicular, you will apply the same method. Now, if they ask you what is the distance of AB, distance of AB, that will be distance formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 square, right? So that will be, this is 0, 9 and 9, 18. 18 means 3 root 2 units. That is the distance between AB. Now come to the main question, find the image of A in PQ. So if I take this as point A, this is your PQ and image will be here. This is your PQ, this is your A, this is your C. Suppose C is the image. Isn't B the midpoint of AC. If I draw a line AC, then isn't B point midpoint of A and C? Right now, because image is always in the straight mirror, plane mirror, mirror is at the same distance at which the object is. So B is the midpoint of AC. So what is A? A point is 168. Point B is 135. Take C point as what are you taking? ABC we have already taken. Or even A2 taken. Now, so let us take it as ABC. So apply this A plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 1. This plus this plus this by 2 is equal to 1. Then B plus 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. And C plus 8 by 2 is equal to 5. Midpoint formula. X1 plus X2 by 2, right now? So that is giving you A is equal to 2. This into this 2 minus 1, 1. This B 6 minus 6, 0. And C 10 minus 8, 2. So the image of point A is 1, 0, and 2. Clear? So I have covered three parts in this. Or they can ask you what is the distance of A and the image point. So that is also the distance formula. So what I have covered is, here the question given is image. For the image, you will still find point B, but you will directly apply the midpoint formula. No need to find this distance. But if it is a 5-mark question, then please, if they might ask you to find the distance of the point A, find the foot of perpendicular from point A to given line, that is B, which we have already found, this point. Then they can ask you, what is the distance of A from the line PQ or given line, that is this distance we have found. And then they are asking find the image of A in mirror line B, this BC or whatever they are given. So that is midpoint formula. Okay, so this is the midpoint formula. Again, listen to this. What will you do? You will take the point. You will make the figure over there. This is A point. This line is PQ. Then draw the perpendicular on this. This point you are taking as B, image is taken as C. B is the midpoint of AC. That the point is ABC. You are taking this general point of B by putting lambda. So this lambda point B will come. This point you have. Can you find the drs of AB? If you have drs of AB, you have drs of PQ and they are perpendicular. Then condition of perpendicularity is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2. That will give you the value of lambda, and putting the value of lambda, you will get point B. If you have point B, you can find out this is foot of perpendicular. You can find out the distance of the perpendicular from A to PQ, or you can find the image of A in PQ line. Clear? The three parts I have covered in one question. They can come separately or come as the whole question in 5 marks. Then next question is find the vector equation of the line passing through this and perpendicular to these two lines. These lines are given in Cartesian, so no need to write in vector because this is a mixed question. You can directly say drs of write the lines x minus. I'm taking this line as 1, this line as 2 after writing in the paper. So drs of line 1. Those are 3 minus 16 and 7. drs of line 2 are 3, 8 and minus 5. Let A, B, C are the drs of required line. Are drs of required line which is perpendicular to line 1 and 2. Right? So condition of perpendicularity will be applicable. So 3A minus 16B plus 7C, that is equal to 0. This I have taken and this A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Then next one, this has A1, A2, this one has B1, B2. So that will be 3A plus 8B minus 5C, that is equal to 0. Now let us solve it by let us solve it for ABC by cross multiplication method. A upon B upon C upon cross multiplication. So what do we do? When we find A, we cover this and multiply these two, this into this minus this into this. So minus 16 minus 5, 80 minus 8 into 7, 56. How do we do? Again, listen to this. This is minus 16, 7, 8 and minus 5. This into this minus this into this. So uh, minus 16 into minus 5 is 80 and 8, 7 the 56. Now for B, what do we do? For B, we cover this. So we have a coefficient 3, 7, 3 and minus 5. For this, you have to keep in mind, if you are taking plus B over here, then the order is different. That will be this into this minus this into this. But if you are taking minus B over here, then you can keep the same order. This into this minus this into this, which you are doing for A and B, A and C. So this is minus of this. So minus 15 plus 21. And then C. For C, we will cover C. So you have 3 minus 16, 3 and 8. So that will be C. 24, this into this, minus this into this. So minus minus plus 48. So A upon 24 minus B upon 6 and C upon 72, right? For B, this is minus 15 plus 21. Sorry, minus 15 minus 21. No? Wait, I think we have done something wrong. B coefficients are 3, 7, 3 and minus 5. So this into this minus this into this. So minus 15 minus 21. So that will be minus 36. Minus minus cancel. So we are getting A by 24, B by 36. So it is 12 twos are, 12 threes are, and 12 sixes are. So A upon 2, B upon 3, C upon 6. These are the dias of the required line. Clear? And ABC we have the point. Can't you write the equation now? Vector equation you have to write. So that will be point is this. So R is equal to A. A is I plus 2J minus 4K. And as the dias are proportional, so we are writing lambda 2, 3, and 6. So 2I plus 3J plus 6K. So that is the required equation. Clear? This is find the vector equation perpendicular to these two lines. Then the next question is show that the line intersect. I told you in the previous video also that if they intersect, you can directly take A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 as determinant and show that it is 0. Only for intersect, if it is coming for 2 marks. What is your A1 over here? 2I plus 2J plus 3K. What is A2 over here? 2I plus 3J plus 4K. What is B1? B1 is I plus 3J plus K. What is B2? I plus 4J plus 2. Right? So, what will be A2 minus A1? That is 2 minus 2, 0. I plus 3 minus 2, J plus 4 minus 3, 1K. So A2 minus A1 is 1, 0, 1, 1. So how will you write? A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2. Write that as scalar triple product determinant 0, 1, 1. B1 is 1, 3, 1. And this is 1, 4, 2. Expand this determinant. If they intersect, this will be 0. So let us see, this is 0, so no need to expand. Then minus 1 into 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1, 4 minus 3. So this is minus 1 plus 1, 0. So the lines intersect. Therefore, lines intersect. Otherwise, we use this in the skew line shortest distance now. That is A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 upon B1 cross B2 magnitude whole absolute value. Distance cannot be negative. So this is for 2 marks only. So no need to show any other work if this is required. But if the point of intersection is asked, then we will apply the different approach. We will find the general point like previous. So first line x minus 2 upon 1, y minus 2 upon 3, z minus 3 upon 1 is equal to lambda. This is I have taken in line 1. Therefore, any point P I am taking on this. Any point P on line 1 is same method, lambda plus 2, this into this into this, transpose this means x minus 2 by 1 is equal to lambda naught. So that will be x minus 2 is equal to lambda. 1 into lambda is lambda. So 2 transpose this side. So this is lambda plus 2. 3 lambda plus 2 and lambda plus 3. This is any point P on line 1. Now take line 2. Line 2 is x minus 2 by 1, y minus 3 by 4, z minus 4 by 2. This is taking as mu. This is your second line. Therefore, any point Q on line 2 is Q point mu plus 2, 4 mu plus 3 and 2 mu plus 4, right? This is any point Q. Now for finding the point of intersection as well as in whether they intersect, we will solve these 2 points, x coordinate of both and y coordinate of both. Or if it is easy for z, you can take x, z, y, z accordingly. Solve 2 and put the value of lambda and mu in the third coordinate. If it is same, that means they intersect and then find the point. If they are not same, then the lines don't intersect. Listen to this again. This is the x coordinate. This is y coordinate. This is z coordinate of point P. Similarly, this is x coordinate of Q, y coordinate, and z coordinate of Q. So, if I solve this and this, because if the 2 lines intersect, this point P and Q, I am taking on this line and this line. If they intersect, because this is any general point, can I take P and Q as same? So this x coordinate of this and y coordinate of this should be equal, and we will solve it for lambda and mu, right? And this value of lambda mu, if I put in the third coordinate and it is coming same, means lines are intersecting. So let us solve. If lines 1 and 2 intersect, then point P and Q should be same. So I am taking x coordinate. So lambda plus mu is equal to mu plus 2. Second, 3 lambda plus 2 is equal to mu plus 3. So from here I am getting lambda is equal to mu. And from here I am getting 3 lambda is equal to mu by plus 1. Put this value over here. So this will be 3 mu minus mu is equal to 1. So 2 mu is equal to 1. So mu is equal to half. If mu is equal to half, lambda will be half. because they are equal. So I have lambda value, I have mu value. Let us put in the third coordinate. What is the third coordinate? Lambda plus p, z coordinate of p. What is that coming? 1 by 2 plus 3. So that is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Right? Now put in this. Have we done some mistake again? Here we have taken it wrong. This is 3 lambda plus 2 is equal to 4 mu. Sorry, 4 mu plus 3. So this is, let us do it again. So this is 3 lambda minus 4 mu is equal to 1. If lambda is equal to mu, so let us put the value. Lambda is equal to mu. So this will be 3 lambda minus 4 lambda, that is equal to 1, or minus lambda is equal to 1, or lambda is equal to minus 1. If lambda is equal to minus 1, mu is also minus 1. So now put in this third one. So z coordinate of point P, that will be minus 1 plus 3. 2, let us put over here. 2 into minus 1 plus 4. That is also 2. If the z coordinate of both is same, means the lines are intersecting, and point will be put the lambda or mu value in any of this. Either put in P or Q, point will be remain same. Put by putting the value. So we have done this mistake. This is 4 mu. This is taken by mistake. First, what did we do? We have compared x with x coordinate and y with y coordinate and found the value of, solved it for lambda and mu. Lambda plus 2 is equal to mu plus 2. So lambda is equal to mu, and lambda, second one. 3 lambda plus 2 is equal to 4 mu plus 3. So 3 lambda minus 4 mu is equal to 1. So lambda is equal to mu from the first, this equation. Na? So put this over here. So 3 lambda minus 4 lambda is equal to 1. So minus lambda is equal to 1. So lambda is equal to minus 1. And they are equal. So mu is also 1 minus 1. Therefore, z coordinate of P is lambda minus 3, which is minus 1 plus 3. 2, z coordinate of Q is 2 lambda, 2 mu plus 4. So it is also 2. So if their z coordinates are same, means the lines are intersecting, and the point of intersection, either put lambda value in P or mu value in Q. You will get the same point only, that will be the point of intersection. So these are the important questions of exemplar, which are most of the time boards expected. Thank you.